Hi, I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
I'm excited to take you on a walking tour of Somorrostro Beach, one of Barcelona's most iconic beaches. One of the highlights of Somorrostro Beach is the large sculpture of a golden fish that towers over the beach. This sculpture was created in honor of the residents of the former shanty town, and it has become a symbol of the area's transformation over the years. As we walk along the shore, you'll also notice that there are several beach bars and restaurants to choose from. These are the perfect spots to grab a cold drink or a bite to eat while taking in the stunning view of the sea. If you're feeling adventurous, you can also try your hand at paddleboarding or kayaking. The calm waters here are perfect for these activities, and there are several rental companies that can provide you with the necessary equipment. As we make our way back down the boardwalk, you'll notice that there are several street performers and vendors selling souvenirs and handmade crafts. This is the perfect spot to pick up a unique memento of your time in Barcelona. I hope you enjoyed this walking tour of Somorrostro Beach as much as I did. If you did, please hit the like button and leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more travel content.
Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.